Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited videos with Digen AI absolutely free. Let's dive in. So ladies and gentlemen, when you jump into Digen, you will get 300 credits for free. This means per account you get 300 credits, and I'm going to show you in a second how you can actually get unlimited creations. So what you want to do here is go and click on create on the top right hand side. This will take you to the create interface. Now what it's done is immediately it's giving you an image to start with on the left hand side. Okay, so you need to upload an image, and this will help Digen generate your video. So you'll generate your image with you'll generate your video with an image and a prompt. Okay, so you can remove this and add your own one. And then at the top of here, if you go ahead and click on Sora, here you can type in your video, you can change your aspect ratio and the duration, and then here you can also add in an image, so you can upload or you can convert to line art. So let's go ahead. I'm going to just a woman walking through the jungle. Okay, so here we can just go ahead, hit enter, and if you give it a few seconds, it'll start generating this video. And on the right hand side, you will be able to see the video over here. And if you give it just a few seconds, it'll be ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the big reveal, here it is. Okay, so just from a simple prompt without any detail, we were able to get a pretty fantastic video. And then if we go back over here at the top of the screen to video, you can actually go down here. You can actually change the effects. Then you can also add different types of motion. And if you go down here, you'll see that there's a bunch of user generated videos here. Here you can actually go and click on any one of them, and you can actually use the source prompt to create your own videos, or you can just remix with that same video. So there's so much to do here, more than just to get through in one single small video. So go ahead and sign up with Digen AI and start creating videos. Now, if you want to do this unlimited, you can go and look for a temp mail, which is a temporary mailbox, something like temp-mail or any one of these, where you can get a temporary mailbox, and you'll be able to create a new account with each one of these temporary mailboxes without having to actually manage the mailboxes. I hope this was helpful.